Today we're going to talk about how we can divide 2 and 2/10 by 4. I like using base 10 blocks to model this because it's very easy to split these up into equal groups. This online web application for you to use virtual manipulatives is also great and can be found on your teacher's Google site. Our first step when we're dividing 2 and 2/10 by 4 is to look at our holes. Here's one hole, here's two holes, so there's 2, and here's 2/10. I'm going to break apart my first hole by tenths. And then I'm going to split each one into 4 different groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm dividing by 4. Here's my second one, 2, Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. And then you'll notice I don't have enough to break it apart again. So I need to break up my second hole, and then I can go Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, and then one more, Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. You'll notice that in each group I have 5/10, but I still have 2/10 left over here. So now what I need to do is break up each of my 2/10. And so I'm going to go 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, oops, this one should be over here, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, and 5. And you'll notice that I have 5/10 and 5/100 in each one of my groups. So I was able to split this up evenly. So what I've done is I've done 2 and 2/10 divided by 4. And what I did first, and this is kind of like partial products and partial quotients. I did, for my 4, I did 4 and I did 5/10 into 4 different groups. Well, 4 times 5/10 is going to give me 20. I subtract that, and I have 2/10 left over. And so of my 2/10, if I take out 5/100, that's going to give me, 4 and 5 is another 2. That's going to give me nothing left over. So my answer to this question is 5/10 and 5/100. And so right here you see we have 55 hundredths, and so 2 and 2/10 divided by 4 is equal to 55 hundredths.